I'll put a knife for you on this.
Ay, shut up! Ako is, asan si Roxy? Ganon yung nangyari kaninang umaga, guys. Asan si Roxy? Pinapasok ko man yun. Hala, tingin-tingin ako sa labas. Pagtingin ko sa labas, wala man doon. You know, there was a water on the floor. Tommy, what do you think? Ready?
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, good morning. Katatapos ko lang naligo and it's already 12:03 ng tanghali. Kakain lang tayo guys. I am going to eat something for lunch kasi time to magla-lunch lang tayo. And kain tayo ng ribs. Ribs. Ano to? Tawag nito? Ito ba? Ito siya. Kuha lang tayo ng meat. Konti lang yung kainin natin kasi alam na, di ba? Ito, tinawagan ko din si Tommy, guys, kasi ng oras, so hindi pa siya dito nakarating. I don't know, hindi talaga siya tumubag. Hindi ko alam, guys, pero hindi siya sumagot. Lutuin ko lang siya kasi may pa, di ba? Pula-pula pa, alam nyo naman yan. Mapula-pula pa yung Lutuin natin siya and mag-init din ako ng rice at saka yung broccoli rub. So, yun yung kainin natin. Alam nyo, paminsan talaga, maganda itong microwave. Pero paminsan kapag meat talaga, tinatry ko siya. Palagi na yan nangyayari sa akin. Yung meat ba, iinitin mo yan sa microwave. Ang resulta is, pangit yung resulta. Yung meat is, nawala yung lasa. Tawag na. What's going on?
Sorry, I tried to answer your call. I was at the bank, and I figured I left my water, so I thought, fuck it, I'll just leave it. And then the watch beeped at the mailman was at the door, so I said, oh, fuck it, I'll get the mail. And then I get my water bottle. And then I was inside getting the mail, and the phone rang, but the phone was still in the car, but the watch was ringing, so I tried to answer on the watch, but I guess it didn't work really well.
I told you that watch doesn't work with the phone. You have to register that as a phone.
No, it does answer the phone. But I guess it must be too far away or something.
Oh, is that what it is? You did try answer the phone?
Yeah, I tried to answer the phone, and it picked up.
But did you try it before? To answer? Really?
It works with the phone. Yeah.
I don't buy that for like a mobile GPS only. There's no mobile thing in it.
No, it's not a mobile phone. It links the phone from your phone to your watch. So when your regular phone rings and you're close enough, you can answer it with your watch. But it doesn't have its own phone. I mean, I'm the beneficiary right now, but you can change that tomorrow if you wanted to.
Why?
What?
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
But you could.
I don't know.
I mean, you realize eventually you're going to want to change the beneficiary at some point.
Whatever, Han. Shut up. You know what, Han? I'm not talking, Han. You pay that.
I know that, but you know, I'll put a knife for you on this.
Hey, shut up!
And at that point, you're going to need to change the beneficiary to somebody else.
Roxy.
Don't laugh. People have done that.
Roxy and Hubs.
I'm telling you, people have done that. Like really wealthy people have left their fortunes to their pet. And they put somebody in charge of taking care of the pet, making sure that they have everything. There's crazy people like that, huh?
Yeah.
Can you imagine? You going to the millionaires?
No, I love my dogs.
I live in a cardboard box with my dog's a millionaire.
Crazy.
Oh, well, crazy and making life.
So when you get home,
Yeah.
you have food here.
But
Oh my God, I'm choking. What is going on? Why you leave the house really late?
No, I'm just digging everywhere, but what I really need is, I know you said it was early October, it needs to be paid by it. They don't have a way to electronically pay it, so it has to be mailed. So I think it's really important to find it. I don't remember them having a way to pay it electronically, so it's not important.
Something wrong. That's why you have to... Can you just give me the account, Han? Can I just pay that like that? Can I do all that?
Well, what you can do, is you can keep a chart of all these things that need to be paid.
Mm-hmm.
And the electronic pay stuff, okay, so you tell me, you need to pay special electronically. When it is paid, say, all right, you take the confirmation of the speaker, write it down, say, all right, so October is paid, this is the confirmation of it. That's why I bought that whiteboard for it, and you took the whiteboard because you needed it there, but you never use it over there, it's just buried somewhere over there.
Okay, I'll use
Because
it.
because over here, without you, then, you know, it wasn't a big deal, because when you were here, I knew you were going through it, so I wouldn't lose track of stuff. But now you're not here anymore, and it's way easy for me to lose track of stuff, because, you know,
Did you even pay attention, Mom's bill over there?
yeah, I don't see any.
Ulan. Papunta na si Tami dito. Kahapon sana ulan, pero ngayon. Wala, may eroplano guys. Eroplano guys. May erop. And anyway, so plano ko sana guys, pag okay yung panahon, kukunin ko yung mga dead na mga halaman para next year pag summer hindi na tayo magkaundagaga ba yun? Ano ba yung Tagalog na yun? And itrim ko yung mga ito para next year hindi siya para easy na masayon. Andiyan, dito din itrim ko din to. Ito sila. I think yan, paliitin ko din yan. Itrim ko din yan. Ito din, itrim para talaga next year okay yung ano natin. Hello guys, masarap yung ulan guys. I like the ulan. Gusto ko talaga maglagay ng ano dito guys, couch ba yun? No, chair dito. At saka dito din, gusto ko talaga. Wala, may tao. Okay, dami ng dahon. Pasok tayo guys kasi sa libo na. Uy, you're waiting over here? You're waiting? Ay naku, you're waiting. Adoy, Ginoo ko Lord. Hi guys, kaninang umaga pagbangon ko, pinakain ko sila, 'di ba? Bangon kaming lahat, ganoon. You know, pinakain ko sila. What happened? Time to eat na sila Roxy at saka si Misty. So, ang ginawa ko is, asan si Roxy? Ganon yung nangyari kaninang umaga, guys. Asan si Roxy? Pinapasok ko man yun. Hala, tingin-tingin ako sa labas. Pagtingin ko sa labas, wala man doon. Sabi ko, hala, tingin ako dito, tingin. Wala dito. Punta ako sa bedroom. Pagpunta ko sa bedroom, andun nakaganon. Nakatingin sa akin. Kaluka talaga. Sabi ko, huwag bumalik sa kama. Huwag bumalik sa kama. Huwag bumalik. Click. Hello, sleepyhead. Ay, ito, I love you. Oh my God, itong camera. Tommy's here. And it's been raining. He's been stuck in traffic. So he's been driving for like, I think 2.5 hours. What, Han? Yeah. Okay, so what do you want to eat? You know, it's late already, so what do you want? You eat a little bit, you want... Oh, it's like, oh my goodness.
You know what this is, right, Hobbs? You know what that is? What's that?
Look, Han, you scare him.
Turkey.
Let me add some water here. It's windy outside. It's kind of nice, right, Han? It's not bad. The weather. Even it's raining, right? It's just wet. That's really it. Just wet day. A wet day. Hello! It's a halo! It's a halo! Halo! It's a halo! Gusto ni Tami ng coffee. So, bigyan natin ng coffee. Yun yun naman ang gusto niya eh. It's a halo. Halo. Han, you make him crazy. Hey, come on. Hi guys, I am watching Naked and Afraid again. Hello, ano siya guys? It's been gloomy the whole time. So we just here at the house. We don't do nothing. We're just killing the time. It's already 4:05, hon. My goodness. And then busy si Mr. Cupido. What's in there? What's in there? Hey. What's in there? No, there's nothing in there. Nothing. Hello, what's in there? You go get him. Who's there? You go get him. Look. Hello. Guys, deliberation is a word, right? Deliberation. I said Tammy said delivery. I said deliberation. And people said, "Oh, you have to listen your husband because he's American." he will see. They will see that, honey. And deliberation.
Delivery. You're talking about when you deliver.
How you deliver? How do you deliberation of the line?
Deliberation of the line. No.
Han, let me look deliberation, guys. So now
Look that up, please.
we have to research deliberation.
Well, I can't have it. English is my second language.
Deliberation, hold on. There is a deliberation, oh. No, not deliberation. Not deliver, deliberation.
That's what it is. You hear a word, you twist it to a different word, and you think, ah, see, I'm right.
He's something, guys.
Yeah.
But I'm still correct, Han. I just pronounce it wrong, the B to become V. So, there is a deliberation. Wala kami masyadong gawa, guys. Galing kami sa basement.
Deliberation is nothing to do with what you were talking about.
Well, deliberation is deliver your conversation.
What?
It's like delivering a conversation. What?
Deliberate means like intentional. It doesn't delivery. Comedy, how you deliver it. How you deliver a line. Some people say a line and it's not funny. Other people say it and it's very funny. That's your delivery.
Andun si Tammy sa basement. Kakain na nga. Ngayon pa siya Lalo si Tammy. Moy talaga. What?
There's water on the floor, but not much in the bucket.
You know, there was a water on the floor, Tammy. What do you think?
I know. There's pressure there and I still didn't know.
He just kept checking downstairs, looking for problem. Takipan natin para maluto talaga siya. You eat cold, siguro na. Nanonood na naman kami Touched by Angel.
Put it out of the way.
Wala, somebody sleeping over there.
Many tic-tacs later.
Hello guys, dito ako sa labas nag-i-edit guys kasi ang ganda ng panahon. Grabe, mahangin siya and basta i-enjoy natin yung weather ngayon kasi maginaw na few weeks from now. As in maginaw na siya few weeks. So kaya dito ako nag-enjoy kasi hindi na natin to maramdaman itong perfect weather. At saka mahangin-hangin din. Yeah, ito lang yung kakainan ko guys. Rice at saka munggo. Manonood tayo ng YouTube. Well, this time, I need to really wax my armpits. Because I talked about this from my previous vlog na hindi ko siya winawax. So now, I really need it. Because it's a bad thing. Now, mataas yung buhok. So, ang ginagawa ko, every night, hindi naman mabango yung kilikili ko guys, pero every night, I kind of enjoy kind of like pulling my hair like, and it feels so good because na-remember ko noon yung mag-ibot, magpupul ng hair, you know, you pluck your hair, pluck, click, click, fluk, fluk. Okay, nanonood din ako ng It's Judy Time, but before that, guys, i-blur ko ito dito, so hindi niyo makikita, okay? So, yung mukha ko lang. Oh my God, ang taas na ng buhok ko. Yes, guys. Hindi niyo naman yan makikita. Kasi i-blur ko yan. And, oh my God. Oh my God. Sira natin yung tubig. Meron tayong paper dito. Ang dami ko yan, guys. In-order ko yan sa Amazon. Paper wax. Ready? Oh, God. Oh, ang daming buhok. Hala, ang daming buhok. Ang taas pa. Oh, my God. Ang daming buhok. Ay, natitira pa siya konti. Pero, ang gagawin ko is, ano siya? Tapusin ko lang to, guys, and then I will be right back. Tapusin lang natin itong ginagawa ko. Alam nyo, ang daming apple namin, guys. Doon sa kabila, ang dami. At saka doon sa yung, saan kumuha yung kaibigan ko. Meron din doon. And I'm sure, okay na yan. And marami doon sa kabila. Anyway, guys, I will see you later kasi lobat. Labas lang ako.